everyone, I am Deepika, working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastada, Karnal. Today we will discuss about the production procedure of parenterals. The production procedure of parenterals includes all of the steps from the accumulation, planning and scheduling of the ingredients of the formula and equipments to the enclosing of product in the individual containers for distribution. To enhance the assurance of successful manufacturing operations, all process steps must be carefully written as the standard operating procedures. The production of a quality product is a result of the continuous effort of the quality assurance, production and quality control personnel. The steps involved in the manufacturing of parenterals are washing of containers and closures, preparation and compounding of the formulation, filtration and sealing, sterilization, packing and labeling, inspection and quality control, testing. Washing of containers and closures, equipments and containers must be carefully cleaned. Now, unused containers and equipments are contaminated with dust, fibers and chemical fumes which usually are relatively easy to remove by rinsing only. Used equipments are scrubbed by the hand immediately after use with an effective detergent that does not leave a residue on its own. Glasswares or metalwares are automatically conveyed, usually in an inverted position, through a series of rigorous high-pressure treatments including hot detergent, hot tap water and final rinses with distilled water. After cleaning, it is essential that the clean containers be protected from dust and other particulates. Preparation and compounding of the formulations. Product should be compounded under clean environmental conditions, that is aseptic conditions. Accuracy of compounding should meet the rigid standards accepted in pharmaceutical procedures. Products are packed in previously sterilized container under sterile conditions. In larger batches, attention must be given to achieving and maintaining homogeneity of solutions, suspensions and mixtures, maintaining a given temperature and accelerating cooling. Filtration. Primary objective of filtration are clarification or sterilization of a solution. Clarification is also termed as polishing, and a highly polished solution requires the removal of particulate matter down to at least 3 micrometer. Further reduction in size of the particulate matter removed to approximately 0.3 micrometer, resulting in sterilization, the removal of viable microorganisms and spores. After filtration, solution must be protected from environmental contamination until it is sealed in the final container. This is achieved by collecting filtrate in a container that is part of closed system. A secondary filter is included to collect any particulate matter while the transfer process. The filtrate is directly fed from the collecting vessel filling machine through sterile hose connections. This transfer is also said as transfer from the clean environment to aseptic environment. Next is sterilization. Sterilization is the process when the absolute condition of total destruction or eliminate of all living microorganisms to produce a sterile state is achieved. Sterilization of parenteral products are achieved by different methods: moist heat, dry heat, through bacteria-proof filters, chemical methods, radiation sterilization. Filling. Product is subdivided from bulk containers to individual dose containers more easily and uniformly. Subdivision of low density liquid can be achieved with light duty machinery. Viscous, sticky or high density liquids require more rugged machines to withstand the pressure required to dispense them. Sterile solids are difficult to subdivide accurately and precisely into individual dose containers that are liquids. Rate of the flow of solid materials tends to be slow and irregular. Containers with relatively large opening must be used and the sterile solids are subdivided into the containers by individual weighing. Sealing. Container should be sealed in the aseptic area immediately adjacent to the filling machine. Sealing of container assures retaining of content of a sterile product in the container, assures the consumer that the container has not opened and the product is sterile. If opened, the product is no longer sterile. After sealing, product labeling is done. So it's all about the production procedure. Thank you. Have a nice day.